Today's daily power prescription is how to use failure to succeed. To quote one of my favorites, Winston Churchill, success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. So how do you not only continue on after failure, but also use it for success? You can start with these tips. First, don't beat yourself up. You have to start with a good attitude and recognize the situation for what it is, a failure. You can't get stuck in the negative. You have to simply move on. Next, decide you want to bounce back. The power of intention is absolutely amazing. Making the conscious decision to bounce back and to continue on will make it far easier to do so. Use failure as a learning experience. What is the lesson exactly? What can you learn? Don't walk away not gaining any insight. Make sure to find that teachable moment. Finally, get back at it and just start again. Don't waste the time after a failure. You see, failure is simply a time to begin again, this time more intelligently. So remember, failure isn't a step backwards, it's just a part of your success story. Well, that's our daily power prescription. For anything you missed today, go to our website, thedoctorstv.com. Thanks for joining me. Challenge yourself to be a little better each day. Open your mind, open your heart, and have some fun.